Namaste friends, I am Ritesh. Let us recapture the joy and fascination of being like a baby. Yes, we all have a divine child within us, and let us explore that divine child within us. Friends, it is a pose that people really laugh and enjoy it. The name is Ananda Balasana, or it's also known as a happy baby pose or a blissful baby pose. So friends, it's a great enjoyment, it's great massage to the spine. You're rolling front and back, side to side, and it's sheer laugh and happiness. So it's a great core exercise also. So it comes into a beginner level forward bend, and it's a great hip opener. So especially women with pregnancy and menstruation should avoid that pose. And if you have a knee injury or a neck injury, just be careful. Support your head on a blanket in case you find some strain coming on your neck. Otherwise, just enjoy it. And before you get into the practice, little bit of preparation is required. So a balasana, that is a child pose, or a virasana would be great before you get into a Ananda Balasana, that is a blissful baby pose. Friends, now let us get into the practice. So here we lie down on your back in supine position. And from here I flex my right leg, my left leg, and from here I take it out. Bend the knee, hold my big toe. The knee and the ankle should be in one line. And I make it out and I maintain that position. And I breathe. Now here I can roll side to side and enjoy that pose. Roll front to back and enjoy that pose. Friends, if you find any strain coming on the neck, please add a pillow, a small pillow behind the neck, and just enjoy the pose. Now feel the stretch on your groin. So it's a great blood circulation to the pelvic diaphragm. And you can feel a wonderful stretch on your hamstrings, and just breathe. Coming back slowly, releasing it, taking the knees to the chest and down slowly. Friends, this is a pose that creates a nice blood circulation in the whole pelvic region. Friends, Ananda Balasana strengthens the arms, legs and back. It stretches the inner groin and spine. It calms the mind and de-stresses the body. Improves digestion, so good for the lower back and periodic cramps for women. Relaxes the sacrum, brings the heart rate down because it's a happy baby pose. You're really enjoying that pose. Also, it releases tension from the lower back. Squatting helps blood flow to the pelvic diaphragm, so it's great for infertility also. Friends, these were the benefits of Ananda Balasana or a blissful baby pose. I am Ritesh here. In case you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe. And yes, if you have any suggestions or comments, please mention in the comment section below. Namaste.